Well,
Turn me out. You just leave it all up to me. I'll show you what it's all about. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool. Ain't no particular sign. I'm not compatible with. I didn't want to know the time of your years. You got enough time, dirty baby. If you wanna impress me, you can't be too spoken, mama. I know how to undress me. Let me be your fantasy, and maybe you could be mine. You just leave it all up to me. We can have a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm not compatible with. I do want to enjoy the time of your year. Think I better dance now. Women and girls rule my world. I said rule my world. At your age, mama, not the shoe size. Maybe we can do the club. You don't have to walk the dynasty. I have an attitude. You gotta leave it all up to me. My love will be yours. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to be my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm not compatible with. I just want the time of your years.
jako
There's no need to feel down. I say, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I say, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy, young man. There's a place you can go. I say, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there. And I'm sure you will find me. It's fun to sing the YMCA. They have everything from the mental joy. You can hang up all the boys. It's fun to sing the YMCA. It's fun to sing the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Are you listening to me? I said, young man. You can make million dreams, but you got to know this one thing, young man. Does it all by himself. I said, young man, put your pride on the shelf. Someone came up to me